Head over to Site Explorer. Enter your website domain and hit Search. Select the Organic Keywords tab under Organic Search. Click on the selected location. Head over to the keyword filter on the upper right side of the page. Specify the keywords you want to find the ranking for. Adjust the values to any values and hit Apply. You can also filter to only show the keywords based on their position rank. Set a minimum traffic number using the traffic filter. Click on Show Results button. Export this report as a CSV of your top performing keywords. Head over to the Top Pages tab under Organic Search on the left pane.